Hello pool players, we're going to be breaking down something that happened in a match between Grady Matthews and a then young Johnny Archer. Now Mike Siegel is commentating along with Billy and Cardona. When Mike Siegel, I feel, made the wrong call as to what happened with Johnny. So let's go ahead and look at what I see, and then we're going to compare what it is that most of us make the mistake of doing quite often. So let's take a look at this video.
Now he has a shot on the two, and I don't know about this angle. It looks kind of funny to me.
Well, the 3 is right there, so I think he shouldn't have too much of a problem.
Okay, that looks okay. If he gets too close to the rail, he's got a little problem.
Now see, what he should have done first, you see what he did there? That was inexperience. He shot the 2, then the 3, then looked to see where the 4 could go. Anybody else, or a more experienced player, would look before even shooting the 2 to see where the 4 would go, to play position for the 3.
That's an excellent observation, and for you viewers out there, that's invaluable information you're getting from the head of Mike Siegel.
So let me jump in real quick. I believe Johnny Archer picked that upper corner pocket for the 4 ball because position into the lower corner pocket to the right would be very difficult at best. So when the great Mike Siegel said he should have looked at the shot beforehand, I believe this is what happened. Johnny was looking for position for the cue ball so that he would have a cut back up into that corner pocket. Unfortunately, he came up a little bit short, as you can see here. And because of this, he's going to have to force this shot with a stun shot to drift the cue ball over for the 5.
And also, at times, Mr. Grady Matthews, to my right.
That's right. Grady many times notices all those things. But again, this game, I was saying earlier, this game is a 3-ball game. When you shoot the 1, you're looking to get to the 2 to get to the 3. Once you've pocketed the 1, you shoot the 2 to look at the 3 to get to the 4.
That's exactly
and so
right.
On and so on.
That's exactly right. It's very important to always remember, don't play position on the next ball, play position on the 3rd ball always.
Now Johnny did fairly well to get his cue ball where it's at, but it's a little bit short, so he's got a bit of a cut back to the left. But the main takeaway here is that once we're out of line on one shot, it's often difficult to get back in line on the next.
You always want a little angle to get from, let's say, the 2 to the 3, then to the 4. And if you do that consistently, you'll come in tournaments, beat everybody, win all the money, and go home very happy, right?
That's right. It's not hard to remember.
It's
just play 2 balls ahead all the time.
That's right. 2 balls ahead.
If there's 9s on the table, just play 2 balls ahead.
Oh my goodness, Johnny Archer.
So in seeing this, I decided to set up the same layout and shoot it myself. This turned out to be a very tricky layout. That first shot on the 2 was very important because I needed to be straight in on this 3. And also, gaining the correct position to have this back cut was critical. Now you're going to see me here where I actually drift the cue ball a little bit too close to the cushion. I either needed to stop it short or let it come off the cushion, which would have been better, and rebound back into that circle that's shown. Now here, I'm pretty good shape. It's just a little bit hindered because of the cushion, and all I need to do is make a good stroke and roll straight forward and come off that side rail. So once again, I'm not on the cushion and I can cue the cue ball. I do not like jacking up off the rail, but I really bared down here. I choked up on my cue and I made a good stroke. I did drift a little bit too far past my position point, but once again, I'm pretty straight in. All I have to do is hit a good slight draw shot, maybe a stop shot would get it done. I drew it just right, and I had a perfect shot on the 8, straight in, for then a stop shot on the 9. So to reiterate what our commentators said, we need to think at least 3 balls ahead, and I like to even look at 4 or 5 balls ahead. And remember, it's not about just shooting the next shot in, it's about getting the right angle that will take us to our next shot. And if I may ask, if you would please share this video, it really does help build my channel and I need your help. Also, hit that like, and if you want to see another informative tutorial, watch this one right here. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.